you're dealing with lost invoices, overlapping payments, and angry vendors, all while your accounts payable is booming, you may want to evaluate your manual invoice processing system. This system of processing invoices with human intervention is often time-consuming, labor-intensive and repetitive, prone to errors, challenging to standardize, demanding of timely intervention and monitoring, prone to fraud and forgery, lacking end-to-end visibility. Optical Character Recognition, that is OCR technology, aims to resolve these challenges by leveraging AI-driven computer vision to process text and images and deliver it in a digital format. With OCR, you can avail a plethora of benefits such as improved accuracy with minimal inputs, robust alerting mechanism for manual approval, notification-based digital approval process to avoid delays, centralized, real-time view of the invoicing process, reduction in carbon footprint through reduced paper usage. Knitter Infotech deploys its AI capabilities combined with cutting-edge OCR technology for invoice management system, identity card text extraction, car number plate detection, and product information extraction. OCR at Knitter Infotech. The OCR module can directly access invoices via scanner, email, direct file upload, API, or cloud. In the OCR module, the invoices are preprocessed and converted into the correct format for processing. They are then scanned and processed using the AWS Textract OCR service as the primary tool. In the post-processing phase, a response is received from the OCR engine and converted into a JSON format. This response then undergoes post-processing as and when required. Here's a quick look at how we conduct invoice text extraction at Knitter Infotech. This invoice text extraction demo is based on the AWS Textract Analyze Expense. Here, we have used it for extracting the text from invoice image of BDA. The first thing you need to do is log in. Here you can see the home page, which consists of some information on the invoice extraction. This is the main page where you can see the prediction. From here you can choose any file. These files can be in any format, that is image or PDF. Here we are using JPG format. You can use other formats such as PDF or PNG and then click the Predict button. After clicking the Predict button, the invoice will set the AWS API and then give us a response. Now, we need to extract from a big list of responses by conducting post-processing. After the post-processing, you can see that these are the fields that we get, and this is the image of the invoice. The image has correctly extracted the invoice number, PO number, as well as the vendor's name. The vendor's name here is ABC. You can also see the invoice data over here. The invoice date is the 31st of May 2022. The same details are available here in the line items. Here is the item code, which is extracted as material code. This material code is extracted as PC00, the quantity is extracted as 1000, and the rate is extracted as 4.84. The final invoice amount is 5082. Similarly, we can extract multiple fields from the invoice by conducting post-processing activities on the response received from the AWS text wrap as required. After processing this response, it is saved here. This is the final JSON file as shown earlier, and these are the responses. This here is the CSV file, and this is the actual AWS response, while this one is the Excel file created from the response. Here I have opened an Excel file which consists of details extracted such as the invoice number, PO number, vendor's name, invoice date, material code, quantity, rate, and total invoice amount. Just like this, there are numerous other fields in the AWS response that can be extracted and post-processed as required. You can replicate this process to digitize invoices to any format and further leverage AI to detect meaningful data from it. Knitter Infotech specializes in OCR technologies with which we have helped businesses to reduce time allocated to tasks by 30% via digitization and automation of accounts payable process, role-based account access, tidy and accessible audit trails, common entry point for all invoices, reduced costs associated with manual invoice management. Reach out to us at knittorinfotech.com to see how you too can make your invoice processing hassle-free with OCR.